welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impressions try on of the palette Come As You Are by Karity. If you are new to my channel, this is where I try to put as many eyeshadows on my eyeballs as possible to see how I feel about the different shadows in the palette. And this has 15. So I highly doubt that I'm going to use all of them, but I will try. So let's go ahead and open up the palette here. That is that. There's the back. And let's see here. The inside. There's the little protector. There's the inside. Now I am going to swatch everything. Alright, so those are the colors swatched. That gives me an idea, but these are very much 90s themed. Clearly I'm not going for a 90s themed look because if you grew up in the 80s and 90s, you know the 90s was very much about silver and gold, and I've already got gold on. I have primed my face. I have done all the other stuff except for my lips and my eyes. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first color I think I'm going to go with is going to be Live right here. And now I think I am going to use, oh, I don't know, I'm confused already. Live, or no, I just used Live. Let's go with Cool Beans, this one right here. I think I am going to use Gwen, this color right here. I think I'm going to go in with this color right here, Bogus. Okay, so now I think I'm going to use a little bit of Riot right here. So now I think I'm going to take a shimmer, and it's going to be Oh Snap right here, and go over the lid itself with it, just gently. So I really don't like that at all. I think it looks kind of gross. So I think I'm going to go back with this Cool Beans over the top of that, because why not layer more shadow? Okay, so I'm going to try being ridiculous and going over those lids again with this shade right here, Ugh. Okay, so I think if the top part is done, let's go ahead and do lower lash line. So I'm looking at it, there are like 4 greens that I'm kind of interested in. I think what I'm going to do, because I'm running out of space on my eyeballs, there's only so much I can do at this point, I think I am going to go with this more teal kind of green. It's not even teal, I don't know what kind of green you would call it, but I'm going to go with these 2 greens right here. I'm going to go with this one and this one. And I'm going to do that with the lower part. Don't know if I'm going to put more on after that, but we will see. need something to lighten it up. That is very 90s grungy looking right there. But I think I'm going to add this color Dew to the inner corner because I feel like I need something to brighten it up just a little bit. Okay, so I think that does it for the shadow. I will talk about those shades in a minute. We are going to go ahead and line the eyes now. I think for the bottom we are going to go with Noir by Autonomy. Okay, so there's the bottom, and now we are going to go in with Sugar, and this is I'll Be Black, and I'm going to use that for the top. Of course, still have the swatches. So there is the eyeliner. Now we are going to go in with the mascara. I am going to use Fit Glow Beauty right here. And I don't think it says the shade, I think it's just black. So there we go. So there is the eyes. I'm going to put some lip on. This is Karity as well. This is Purdy. That's the name of the color. So I'm going to put some Purdy on. I don't know about that color, but I'm committed now, so. I'm going to put a lip topper on. This is Beauty Bakery in Holy Cannoli. Alright, so there's the finished look. So let's go ahead and talk about this palette here. Okay, so these are obviously 90s themed colors. So they're not going to be as vibrant as we're used to in 2020. But they are very pretty colors. They, you know, like, see, you know, that is very 90s. The colors then weren't super vibrant. They were meant for a nice grungy look because grunge was in. Of course, towards the later 90s, you had everything covered in glitter, which was interesting, grungy and glittery. I don't know. But anyways, so these are really nice, pretty colors. But again, these aren't the colors that you're used to for 2020. These are grungy colors. They are very pretty, very, yeah, I can say the formula feels very smooth. It went on really well. It blended really well. So as far as the formula is concerned, I think this is great. I didn't experience any fallout, which is another good thing. Other than that, that's all I have to say about it. I think it's really good. I will have the link to this down below as always. And yeah, let me know what you think about this palette, if that's something you think you're gonna get, or no, why not. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.